Oh.
Wow, I gotta take a picture. They're just reloading, Kellen. You know that they have to definitely reload.
I know.
I want to zoom in. Kellen, wait, bugs can get in the house. Ooh, it's cold out here. Okay, let's just wait until they got one. Those were so cool.
Holy crap.
There they
Whoa.
I'm taking some pictures. Okay, I'm starting the video.
Oh, yes.
Hi guys, it's Canada Day. We're looking at fireworks. Me and my brother. I'm taking a video. This is my brother. They're reloading the fireworks. You can hear it a little bit.
Yeah, it's on another side.
Yeah, they're on a kinda another side. I think they're about to blow, maybe.
Who knows? There! Whoa!
Look!
Oh!
Beautiful!
Canada Day 2020!
2021, you butthead.
2021!
Sorry, I just gotta take my leg off. Sorry.